Hi friends, this is Ram Kumar. You are watching Lemuria, my YouTube channel. So in this video, we talk about bank statement. Why companies are requesting bank statement from your side. Definitely in the background verification process, you will submit your offer letter, experience letter, and then last 3 months pay slip, everything. Even though that, why they are requesting bank statement from your side. If you create bank statement yourself, how that will react in the background verification process, and we're going to talk about these informations in next 2 to 3 minutes. So if you are watching first time of our channel, please subscribe and give your support and share to your friends. So definitely every organization nowadays requesting bank statement, because generally you will submit your review letter, offer letter, and then your pay slip, everything you will provide with the respective organization or newly selected organization. However, sometimes they will request bank statement from first date to last date, the joining date of your organization and end date of your organization, entire service history they will request bank statement. Some of the organization may request only last financial years. Some of the people will expect only last 3 months bank statement. So why they are requesting? So generally for small organization, when background verification vendor interact with them to do the background verification, they will not respond properly. They will not respond properly their calls. They will not properly respond their mails. So even though if they physically visit right now in this pandemic situation, some companies are completely closed. So most of the people connecting from home, even HR also connecting from home. So it will be very difficult to do the background verification. So bank statement is the solid evidence in order to identify whether the given company information is existed or not on earth. Okay. Generally in the bank statement, especially for salary description, company name will be there, and then respective salary month, and then the wage or salary text will be there. When you salary credited, there is a description in the bank statement. In that bank statement, definitely your company name followed by the respective salary month, and then salary or wage, that word will be there in the bank statement. So that is the solid evidence whether companies existed or not. That is why most of the organization background verification vendor are expecting bank statement from your side. If your previous employer not respond properly, if company not existed, definitely they will ask bank statement. So coming to the point number 2 now. So many people are creating the bank statement them itself and sharing to the background verification executive. That will not work definitely, because while doing the bank statement verifications, background verification vendor doesn't have this net banking access. They cannot interact with bank directly without your knowledge. So that is why they're requesting bank statement from your side. They will verify with you through video call on live. You need to show your bank statement. You need to open your bank statement by giving the password from your side, or you need to request your last 1 year, last financial year bank statement with the respective customer care executive. You need to get the mail. You need to open that mail in front of background verification executive on live in video. So that is why it is effectively they are looking for verification, the background verification process. So whether companies existed or not, through bank statement they can easily identify. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Bye bye. If you have any background verification issues, my mail ID is available in this video description. You can connect with me directly. Consulting fee has to be paid. Thank you so much.